Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all of you, our new channel, Vision Search. Vision Search. And I request you to press the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Vision Search. So, dear viewers, we are going to take many classes in this channel, Vision Search. You can find us to take the classes on subject physics, math, chemistry, and English as well. So, first of all, I'm going to introduce myself as an English teacher of Vision Search. I'm an science, and I'm an assistant teacher of a government primary school. And I'm going to take different classes on different topics, such as articles, uh, diversity speech, dance, voice, narration, and many more. You can find us on this channel regularly, and I request to all of you to subscribe to our channel and don't miss any topic. So, our first class is on syllabus. So, before going to understand the syllabus, we all have to learn about the alphabet. What is alphabet? What are the letters of the alphabet? What are the sounds of the alphabet? And what are the categories of alphabet? In this case, I can explain that the alphabet has 26 letters, and these alphabets have these letters have 44 sounds. So there are vowel sounds, there are consonant sounds, and what are the sounds look like, we will discuss on this channel regularly. So, dear viewers, please subscribe our channel and don't miss any topics, any class. So, dear viewers, thank you very much. That's all from today. Well, I will see you on our next class on Region Search. Thank you very much.